So I'm gonna pin this now. I'm gonna lock it up. See why I mentioned the belt, the gear, the tensioner. Die tensioner is in sy moer, hy's droog. Hy's 2 jaar oud nou, hy's droog. You saw what the gear looked like, the other gear compared to this one. This thing shot loose and they drove one way. So it ground up sections of this. See that amount of movement in play is up and down and side to side. I must lock this in position now, and I must lock it perfectly straight. Because otherwise if you lock it in an up or a down position, the belt has a section where there's slop. If you don't sort that shit out, you're gonna have a problem. So kos gewoon lock die varkie. En die varkie is nou 'n bietjie gedamaged daarso. Ons replace gou die seal en almal die kak wat lyk soos kak hierso. Ja, en my gou skroop die hein, ja. And I'm gonna go buy a seal because it's not the same like a Opel, no? This is a Chevy seal. So the seal is madder. You see the snout of the crank is bigger? It's bigger than the average crank? Yeah, so the seal here is smaller.